Open the square buckle on both sides of the box. Take out the e-bike and accessories box. Caution: do not scratch the saddle and frame. Remove the e-bike protector foam. Use M6 hex key to unscrew the 4 screws. Attach the handlebar to the e-bike stem. Position the handlebar plate over the center of handlebar grooves. The edges of the plate should cover the grooves. Loosely tightened handlebar clamp by M6 hex key. Adjust the angle to rider's comfort. Use M6 hex key to tighten the screws. Start with the top left and bottom right screw and tighten them halfway. Repeat for the bottom left screw and top right. Then tighten all screws completely. Distinguish between left and right pedals. Use 15mm wrench to tighten the pedals. Tighten the left pedal counterclockwise. Avoid cross-threading to damage the crank and pedal threads. Pattern the right pedal clockwise. Adjust the position and tighten the wood Phillips screwdriver. Charge the battery before connecting it. Put in the battery. Check that the key number matches the battery number. Then insert the key, unlock the battery. Turn on the battery power. Check if the battery is turned on. Use M3 hex key to adjust the position of the headlight bracket. Recommend adjusting to around 30mm. Tighten the headlamp bracket after adjusting the position. Use M5 hex wrench to adjust the position of the headlight. Tilt the headlight up and down to adjust the position to your riding preference. Adjust the headlight pointing forward as recommended. Tighten both side screws completely. Check if the front and rear tires are fully inflated. Press the power button to turn on the display. Press the plus key to switch the power gear. Open the headlights. Check the taillight and the brake light.